Welcome back to the channel. This is day 8 of running an antique and vintage consignment booth. The store is closed on Sunday and Monday, so this is the 5th business day, not considering the first day we loaded last Saturday. But we did sell a deluxe version of Gone with the Wind VHS set open for $15. We made $11.50 or 575% profit. And I did have a second one that was sealed. So you'll see it later in this video. I have it listed for $25 since it was sealed. The last one was open. So here's a walkthrough of our updated inventory in our booth, and stay tuned because at the end of this video I'll show you a quick trick on how to shine up some silver coins. If you haven't watched the last episode where we dipped coins in Easiest Cleaner, I'd go ahead and watch that. But anyways, enjoy. Stay tuned. So with the coin dip that I did in the last episode, there's one step that I didn't record, but we were experimenting with. We didn't know how it would turn out, so we really didn't record, and also my phone was getting full. So I'll show you that now. So once we cleaned and dried the coins, we put them in a bowl wrapped in aluminum foil, and we poured some baking soda, pure baking soda, on top. And we got some near boiling hot water, and we poured it in there. We kind of let it sit and sizzle for a few minutes. And you just let it sit in the solution until it stops bubbling, and then you'll add a little bit more baking soda. After it stops bubbling, you can add a little bit more baking soda, See if it bubbles anymore. And you can pour more hot water. Let it sit for a little bit longer. And the coin that we have in here now, we already treated last night. So if you have a coin that's dirty or not as clean as this one, you'll probably see a lot more action. So after you let it cool off for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, you'll find the coin first. Then you'll take it out and you kind of rub the baking soda into the coin. And then you go to the sink and you wash it off. And you dry it. And voila. So after dipping the coins in the easiest and using the hot water and baking soda trick, I'll show you how they came out. So this is the 1946 Colombia 20 centavo. You can see there's still some stuff in there that was really hard to come off, but that was like tar or like lava, like dried up lava almost. That's what it looked like. And here is the 1891 1 peseta. And here is the 1897 Philippine peso. This one came really clean. I was surprised. I thought there was going to be some holes in the surface of his face, like especially around the hair, but those were barnacles. This was sea salvaged, so this was under the sea for a very long time. Long enough for barnacles, the barnacles are kind of like coral reef kind of, but they developed and then they even had time to like detach, or maybe when someone found this in the ocean, they detached the barnacles and it created little pits of where the barnacles were in the kind of coral material. But this coin came out really nice, better than I expected. And even though it's cleaned, this coin on eBay would have been around 150 and I paid 46. So I'll probably list it for around maybe 120 and see where it goes. I wouldn't expect to get like a mint kind of price, but for a clean price, I think 100, 120 is fair for this coin. So next we are going to try some more coins of my son's. So in another episode, we're going to try this 1921 1 penny. So a UK 1 penny. Oh, I forgot they rotate sideways. Anti-American. And we have a 1943 steel penny. So that the first coins were silver. This one is copper or bronze. This one is steel. I don't know how steel will work, but we're going to learn. We're going to experiment. And this one, it's just got so much grime, or it might be rust on it, that you can barely see anything. And a 10 Pfennig, a 1940 Third Reich Pfennig, if you want to get fancy, or Reich Pfennig. So we're going to see, oh, sorry, this coin is so corroded you can barely see, but this coin flips just like the UK coin, the British coin. So we're going to try these and we'll let you know. Stay tuned and please like, subscribe, comment. I read every comment like I always say. So comment, you'll see me comment back. Thanks.